In this video, I'm going to talk to you about single point affirmations, a simple and powerful tool for staying aligned to your dream reality so that it can manifest for you. Hey everyone, my name is Tom, and if you're new to my channel, I make videos that help you empower your higher self and manifest your dream life. If you'd like to win 60 minutes of one-on-one coaching with me, comment below "it is done." Winners are announced every week. So what are single point affirmations? Well, basically they are single words that resonate with you. They're very general words, and underneath the umbrella of these words are a lot of powerful emotions. So these words can be virtues, principles, character traits, or symbols, such as love, peace, harmony, creativity, discipline, strength, courage. And then religious or spiritual symbols may be higher self, source, God, etc. And basically, you choose whatever words resonate with you. And then, instead of repeating specific affirmations, which are traditionally things like, "I am so happy and grateful now that I have X," you just simply state these words over and over and over again. And as you state these words, you merge into the frequency, the vast, expansive emotional state that these words point to. For example, the infinite power and depth of a word like love. When you repeat that word over and over again and you soak your consciousness into it, it starts to fill your entire state of being up with love energy, with the consciousness of love. That's just one example. So why would we do this? What's the point of that? Why not use specific affirmations, right? Things that point to exactly what we want, so we know we're not muddling up our frequency and our requests that we're putting out to the universe or within our own infinite imagination. Well, the point is this, the key is this, is that some days when you are in a funk, you see some negative, disconfirming evidence in your external world, you need something to pull you back up, to help you spiral positively upwards into alignment once again. And so you can try and do this with specific thoughts. But the power of going general with these words is that they disconnect you from the physical world. The world that our ego minds are obsessed with looking at and then deriving thoughts and a state of being from. And breaking out of that cycle and going into these words that are timeless and transcendent and all-powerful and all-encompassing in what they imply and in the frequency and emotions they carry. So there's a lot of potential in these words, and then when you connect to them, they just raise you up. They sort of cut through the old cycle, the negative thinking, the negative emotions, and cut through that and just, it's like a rocket ship, or a jetpack, just exploding you back into alignment with your dream reality. Now, they may be general words, like a word like love. How does that relate to a specific person I'm trying to manifest? Or a certain kind of relationship, for example? Well, that relationship is a manifestation of love. One facet of a manifestation of love in your life. But nonetheless, that relationship is under the umbrella of love itself. And so by going general, you include all the specifics. And you can just trust into that and set your mind at ease that by going general, you're still getting your specific desires. You're still building momentum behind them. So that's the key of this, is that when the mind is the most muddled, most in a funk, most spiraling down and out of control, in that frazzled, discombobulated state, you can still just recall these words because they're right there. They're that powerful and simple to remember. And by connecting to them, you immediately break out of the cycle and connect again. So that's how you'd use it. You'd simply say the words in your mind over and over and over again, over and over and over again, feeling the energy of that, feeling it raise you up and placing you back on track. When you're back on track, you are in alignment with what it is you're trying to create. And therefore it can keep coming to you, or you can keep expanding towards it effortlessly. It's a very simple concept at the end of the day, and I wish you all the best in applying it. Let me know the results you see. So if you like this video, please like it, please leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos on how to manifest your desires and dream life. And check out my website if you'd like to have one-on-one coaching with me. Thank you.
bum, ba-dum, ba-dum.